How to scan products on Amazon app. Want to compare prices? This guide shows you how you can scan products with the Amazon app so you can find the product on Amazon. First, open the Amazon shopping app. In the search bar, you'll see a camera icon. Tap on it to open the camera. You'll be able to scan the barcode of a product that you want to find on Amazon. You can also use this feature to find products by taking a picture of them. Point the camera to the barcode of the product. The app will automatically scan the barcode and find the product on Amazon. You can then see the price, reviews, and other details about the product. You can also add the product to your cart. This feature is great for comparing prices. If you're in a store and you see a product that you like, you can scan the barcode and see if it's cheaper on Amazon. This can help you save a lot of money. It's a great way to shop smart. You now know how to scan products with Amazon app. Get ready to find products on Amazon. Like and subscribe for more app tips.